Now let us move further and let us discuss reduction of other functional groups by lithium aluminum hydride or with sodium borohydride. So next one is reduction of esters. Reduction of esters by lithium aluminum hydride. Can sodium borohydride reduce esters?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Esters, they can be reduced by only lithium aluminum hydride. So suppose you have this ester. Okay, suppose you have this ester. For example, maybe ethyl acetate. What is ethyl acetate?
RCOR.
हाँ जी,
सो C2H5 लग गया होगा पीछे R डैश की जगह।
इस साइड की होएगा।
सो इधर मिथाइल ग्रुप ठीक है, जेड़ा पीछे ले ना R डैश उथे C2H5 लग गया होगा पीछे।
This is your ethyl acetate. Okay. So, and if you carry out reduction of this ester with lithium aluminum hydride in THF, okay, so one molecule of this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce 4 molecule of this ester. So first of all, you will get corresponding aldehyde with the loss of this alloxy group, so it will lost. Okay. You will get aldehyde, and this aldehyde is further reduced in presence of another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride to give rise to alcohol. So your ester molecule can be ultimately reduced into alcohol via formation of aldehydes. Okay, and this mechanism we have already discussed. So let's look over the mechanism. So what will be first step?
सर हाइड्राइड आयन, सो H positive ion.
H positive ion.
Hydride ion as it is the
हाइड्राइड आयन,
attack
हाइड्राइड
करेगा
आयन
carbon.
अटैक करेगा, कार्बन अटैक करेगा।
You have a lithium aluminum hydride, so it will be ionized as lithium plus and AlH4 negative, and this AlH4 negative hydride ion can be easily transferred. So now you have a ester molecule. So in presence of this AlH4, this hydride ion will transfer to electron deficient carbon. This will act as a nucleophile. H negative will act as a nucleophile. So it will attack over electron deficient carbon, which is our carbonyl group. So it will attack over here, and this pi electrons, they will shift to oxygen. So this will become RCO negative. Okay, and this lithium will get attached with it. OR prime, and here there will be addition of hydrogen, and AlH3 will be lost. Now what happened next is this OR prime, this alloxy group OR prime is a act as a good, we can't say it's a good leaving group, but it can act as a leaving group. So this OR prime, it leaves. Okay, it acts as a leaving group and it leaves from here. So what will happen? This negative charge, negative charge electrons, they will shift back in between carbon and oxygen bond, and this group leaves. So here it leaves as a lithium positive negative. So this group leaves. So that result in a formation of carbonyl compound, that result in a formation of aldehyde. And since this one molecule of AlH4 can react with 4 molecules of your esters. So this remaining 3 hydride ions, they will react with the another 3 ester molecules. Then by the same mechanism as we have discussed earlier, this aldehyde, it again undergo a reduction with another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride to give rise to a corresponding alcohol plus aluminium hydroxide plus lithium hydroxide. Is it clear? A very simple mechanism.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many molecules will react? 4 molecules over here, 4 here, 4 here, and you will get 4 molecules of your alcohol finally. So if you treat with 1 molecule of lithium aluminum hydride, you will get corresponding aldehyde, and if you treat it with 2 molecules of lithium aluminum hydride, you will get corresponding alcohol. Now there was one question in last year's examination, and the question was, if you treat ethyl acetate, okay, sorry, question was how you will convert ethyl acetate, how you will convert ethyl acetate to ethanol, methanol, and diethyl ether by its reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Give mechanism also. Okay. So how you will carry out this conversion? Yes, any student? So you have a ethyl acetate. So as in beginning I said ethyl acetate is CH3, C double bond O, O, C2H5. Okay, so I will just give you a conversion mechanism. You can write by yourself. It is same mechanism as we have written above. Here R is methyl and R prime is ethyl. So how you will carry out these conversions? Any student, if you have any idea, we have to convert them ethanol, methanol, and diethyl ether by its reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So yes, bete. Bolo, if you do its reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, what will happen?
सर ये चेंज हो जाएगा अल्कोहल च
चेंज हो जाएगा अल्कोहल की बनेगा सब तो पहला this will become CH3
मिथेनॉल
मिथेनॉल थोड़ा ना बेटे मिथेनॉल तो
एल्डिहाइड बनेगा ये वाला
CH3OH
पीछे वाला इथेनॉल बन जाएगा पीछे
ठीक है. So first of all it will become aldehyde, okay, and then if you again do its reduction again with lithium aluminum hydride,
Alcohol.
you will get ethanol. Okay, so you can prepare this ethanol very easily. ठीक है, ethanol तो बन गया अपने को, you have prepared it very easily. But what about remaining 2 molecules, methanol and diethyl ether? What reactions you will further do to prepare methanol and diethyl ether? Yes, बेटे थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ. हाँ जी. Diethyl ether is, you have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is diethyl ether. Can you prepare diethyl ether from this ethanol? How you will prepare diethyl ether from ethanol? Any idea?
सर ऑक्सीडेशन करके
ऑक्सीडेशन करके तो बेटा एल्डिहाइड बन जाएगा. अगर ਆਪਾਂ ਐਲਕੋਹਲ ਦੀ ਆਕਸੀਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਲਡੀਹਾਈਡ so what we do is we will treat here it with acid catalyst so when you treat alcohol with acid catalyst and heat it at very high temperature it convert into ether ठीक है अगर तुसी रिएक्शन पढ़ी होवे अगर तुसी दो मॉलिक्यूल्स अल्कोहल से लो and if you treat it with acid catalyst at high temperature it will become ether okay so it will become diethyl ether so one is this one how you will prepare methanol now methanol means you have to remove one carbon ठीक है ना मिथेनॉल ਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ so how you will prepare methanol so to prepare methanol let us we start with this aldehyde and we do its oxidation say in presence of chromium trioxide so if you do its oxidation what will be product but a simple
Carboxylic
ne aur kuch
Carboxylic acid.
carboxylic acid.
acetic acid you will get simple acetic acid now we have to remove one carbon ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਮੈਥਡ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਰਬੋਕਸਿਲਿਕ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਾਰਬੋਕਸਿਲਿਕ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਬਾਈ ਪਰਫਾਰਮਿੰਗ
Decarboxylation.
decarboxylation so you have to perform decarboxylation and decarboxylation is performed in presence of calcium oxide so there will be loss of calcium carbonate from here so this group will get removed and you will simply get methane now how you will convert methane into methanol how you will convert methane into methanol now okay so let's do its chlorination say in presence of light so when you perform its chlorination it will become methyl chloride plus HCl and how you will convert this methyl chloride into methanol
NaOH देना.
NaOH या simple KOH you will perform nucleophilic substitution of this chlorine with OH so there will be loss of KCl and you will get methanol so these were your simple organic conversions okay that you can do over here देखो ध्यान दे नाल if you have any doubt you can ask हाँ जी बेटे
No, sir.
now next is let us discuss reduction of amides so next is reduction of amides now what are amides are bolo ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ amides
NH2.
NH2 ਤਾਂ amines ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ amides
C double bond O NH2.
C double bond O NH2 now if you do reduction of these amides with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of either THF or ether as a solvent and most importantly in absence of water in that case these amides they converted into amines Okay, amides, they get converted into amines. If you do its reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, THF or ether in absence of water. But if you perform same reaction, same reduction in presence of slightly water, in presence of slight amount of water. Okay, so first of all, you do reduction and then in presence of water. In that case, they get converted into alcohols. These amides, they get converted into alcohols via formation of imines. Okay. So let us see the mechanism. So first of all, let us begin with in absence of water. Okay. So you have a amide, and if you do its reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, THF, and here you will get corresponding amine. Yeah, whether it's a primary, secondary, or tertiary amine, whatever. So let us look over the mechanism. So in mechanism, same, you have a lithium aluminum hydride. It will ionized as lithium plus and AlH4 minus. Then you have a amide, this one. So in presence of AlH4 negative, this hydride ion, it will attack on carbonyl group, and these pi electrons, they will shift to oxygen. So this result in a formation of O negative, lithium positive. This Nr2 will remain as such and hydrogen. So you get this tetrahedral intermediate. Now what happened in case of esters? Esters ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਇਸ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ?
OR group leave कर दी थी.
OR
Oh,
group.
it is leaving.
But in this case, this Nr2 group, it does not leave. Okay, this Nr2 group does not leave as this sign. OR group leave as a OR negative ion, even though that's also a very poor leaving group. But this Nr2 minus group, it does not leave. Why? Because it is a very poor leaving group. It is more poor leaving group as compared to OR minus. Why it is a very poor leaving group as compared to OR minus? Why it is a very poor leaving group?
नाइट्रोजन की वजह से.
नाइट्रोजन दे करके. Why नाइट्रोजन दे करके? Yes.
सर नाइट्रोजन लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है. यस सर, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है.
बिल्कुल ठीक. नाइट्रोजन is less electronegative as compared to oxygen. So what will happen? बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो. हाँ जी बेटे बोलो. ताकि होएगा.
सर इजीली लीव नहीं करेगा ये, मतलब शेयर पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को खींचेगा.
देखो जो नाइट्रोजन है, इट इज लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एज कंपेयर टू ऑक्सीजन. तो ਜਿਹੜਾ ऑक्सीजन है, इट कैन इजीली अकोमोडेट दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज. ठीक है, नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया ना ऊपर. इट कैन इजीली अकोमोडेट दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज, सो इट इज स्लाइटली मोर स्टेबल, एंड इफ इट इज मोर स्टेबल इट कैन लीव. In case of nitrogen, since it is less electronegative, the negative charge आया इसके ऊपर, that will be also less stable. So that's why it's a very poor leaving group. So what will happen instead of leaving this group, this AlH3 which formed over here, it react with this O negative to form OAlH3 minus, and this will remain as such. Now this group, it can act as a leaving group. This whole group, it can act as a leaving group. So this pair of electron from the nitrogen, they shift in between this carbon nitrogen bond, and this whole group, it leave. So this become O minus ALH3, and here it become RC double bond NR2 positive H. Okay, up to this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
And what do you call this molecule? What's the name of this molecule? If you have a carbon nitrogen double bond, what do you call it?
Cyanide.
Cyanide. Cyanide beta kithe cyanide te hunda hai. Nitriles. Double bond. You have carbon nitrogen double bond.
Ammonium ion.
हाँ ठीक बोल रहे हो बेटे, की कर रहे हो?
Ammonium salt.
Ammonium salt, imines, they are called imines, and this is also imine, so this is your iminium salt. Now this iminium salt, it react with the another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride. It react with another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride, and again transfer of hydride ion take place, okay, from here, and this will shift over to give rise to a corresponding amines. So this give rise to a corresponding amines. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will happen in case of water? If water is present, at what step difference will come? अगर मान लो पानी प्रेजेंट है, वाटर प्रेजेंट है, ਤਾਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਐਸਾ ਸਟੈਪ ਹੈ that will interfere when water is present, that will change when water is present, and what is that step? ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਵਾਟਰ ਅਗਰ it is present in reaction? ਕਿਸ ਇੰਟਰਮੀਡੀਏਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਉਹ? ਦੇਖੋ ਬੇਟੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰੇਗਾ? 500 ਵਾਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ।
NR2 ਤੇ ਸਰ
ਕਿਹੜੇ
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ NR2
ਇੰਟਰਮੀਡੀਏਟ
ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲਾ ਸਰ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲਾ
ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਆਇਮੀਨੀਅਮ ਸਾਲਟ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ।
ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜੇ
ਮਤਲਬ ਉਰੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਰ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ NHR2 ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ।
ਬੇਟੇ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ NHR2 ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ? ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਮੈਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਬੇਟੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਈਮਾਈਨਸ ਨੇ C ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ N, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਈਮਾਈਨਸ ਨੇ, if you perform hydrolysis of these amines, then what will happen? This carbon nitrogen double bond, it breaks and you get corresponding carbonyl compound plus amine. पढ़ी हुई ना रिएक्शन है कई बार. So if water is present, this iminium salt, it will react with water. Instead of reacting with another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride, it will react with water. So when it reacts with water, what will happen?
aldehyde बन जाएगा सर.
It will become aldehyde. Okay, so when it reacts with water, so what will be mechanism? A mechanism will लिख देना. So do you have a lone pair of electrons over here? Now this carbon is electron deficient. This will act as a nucleophile. It will attack over here. These pi electrons, they will shift to nitrogen. So initially it will become RCNR2HOH positive. Then there will be loss of H plus ion to give rise to RCH, OH, NR2. And then this group leave. So this oxygen hydrogen bond break, you shift over here, and this leave as a amine. And you get corresponding carbonyl compound. And this carbonyl compound again react with now another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride to give rise to corresponding alcohol. So if water is present, in that case your product is alcohol, and if water is absent, in that case your product is corresponding amines. हाँ जी बेटे, कोई डाउट? नोट कर लिया सारे ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next is reduction of carboxylic group. Now this carboxylic group, it is much less reactive. It's much less reactive towards reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Why it is less reactive, we will see in its mechanism. Now if you do its reduction, the ultimate product or the end product will be corresponding alcohol via formation of aldehyde. So again, 4 molecules can be reduced by 1 molecule of lithium aluminum hydride. So let's look over the mechanism. So again, you have a lithium plus ion and AlH4 minus ion in your reactions. So you have a carboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid, it reacted with this AlH4 minus. Now what will happen is, here this hydrogen, it is acidic. Okay, this hydrogen in carboxylic acid is an acidic hydrogen. So instead of hydride ion attacking on this carbonyl group, what it will do is it will take this H plus ion. So here this hydride ion will not react with this carbonyl group, but it will take this H plus ion. So there will be a release of what?
H2.
H2. So there will be a release of hydrogen and AlH3. So this will give rise to a carboxylate ion. And this carboxylate ion is stabilized by resonance. So this carboxylate ion is stabilized by resonance, and this is the reason why it is much less reactive, due to the formation of this carboxylate ion, which is resonance stabilized. That is why it is much less reactive. Now what will happen? So this carboxylate ion, okay, it will further react with AlH3, which has lost from here. So it will react with the another molecule of AlH3. 3, and now this time this hydride ion, it will attack over this carbon. So it will become AlH2, negative lithium positive, and here you will have hydrogen. इथे ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा कि नहीं आएगा ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर?
नहीं आएगा सर।
नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it will this oxygen पूरा का पूरा electrons they will goes to the aluminium. It will become OLH2. So here will be a no negative charge. Now in the next step, this OLH2, this group, it acts as a leaving group. So this shift to the here and this group leaves. It will become, so this group leave and it become corresponding aldehyde. And then what will happen? This aldehyde, what it will do?
दूसरे
तो lithium aluminum hydride
दूसरे lithium aluminum hydride में react करके that will form the alcohol. So this is the mechanism for reduction of carboxylic acids into alcohol, and why they are less reactive because of the formation of resonance stabilized structures. Resonance stabilized carboxylate ion. So बेटे please go through this. ठीक है, जिन्हें मैं mechanism लिखाए ने, go through this, and if you have any question you can ask. ठीक है, I have less than 2 minutes over here, so I will end this meeting over here. You can rejoin after 5 minutes. Then we can discuss some other functional groups. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, so we have I am ending this meeting over here. ठीक है, and I will restart it. Okay, you have to rejoin it. ठीक है, इन्हें अपना देख लो, अगर कोई फंक्शनल ग्रुप नहीं समझ आया उसकी रिडक्शन, you can ask.